Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, WMIC error couldn't add how to fix in Windows 11, 10. Type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Copy command from description and paste it. WMIC added successfully. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.